Hello, welcome back. And today is Friday evening. I have completed my work. To be honest, there was no work at all. So I came for a walk. So today I was watching one K-drama and I find out that one of the actors who was there is now dead. So the K-drama was from 2023 and the actress died in 2025, and in 2026 season 2 has came. So I am probably not going to able to see her in this season. So she died due to suicide, and I don't want to share the reason why she has just it, but many people die due to suicide because they don't have self-love and they don't value their own life. Life become meaningless as they don't appreciate themselves to be in this body. They are driven by self-thought of hopelessness and societal criticism in any form. So I'll be posting more about self-love on this channel, so people who are listening to this, I can motivate them to love yourself. Self-love is important, but you also need to consider that you should not hurt anyone. So both the things are necessary for a beautiful society. And guys, we have came on time to witness this beautiful sunset, and we can see the Mumbai city from here. So for the past 2 days when the rainfall started, I didn't think that I need to get to see the golden hour and the sunshine, because I thought it will start raining and it will continue. But look at behind. Woo! Woo! Guys, look at the skyline. It's hot like lava. This color matches to that color. So self-love makes you feel special without being special.
Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday and this is the next day. Today is 27th of June and the time is 9 a.m. in the morning.
And guess what? We are back again on our track. So right now it's 9:20 in the morning and the sunlight is very harsh. It is a lovely weather, but it should rain. So whenever I travel to office, I usually complete more than 10,000 steps. But yesterday I was at home. It was Friday and I came for a walk in the evening on this track, and I completed around 6,000 steps. So right now I am focusing on 10,000 steps on a weekend, which is not possible. I again might say it won't be impossible. It is possible, but I need to move if I need to complete it. So usually my Saturday Sundays I remain at home, I binge watch, I do nothing, I stay in bed for longer time. So it is almost less than 5,000 or maybe less than 2,000. To be really honest, it is less than 1,000. So this is what is the situation around in my weekend. I need to change it. So this is the greatest refuge for me every day. I can come here. After walking, I can enjoy this beautiful scenery. So this is actually a birding side. As you can see, there are many birds around there. So guys, right now it's 10 a.m. in the morning and right now we are heading back to home. So 4,000 completed steps till now, and right now we are going to complete another 1,000 till we reach home, I guess.